Legal Aid of East Tennessee is a nonprofit organization that is set up to help people who are facing trouble with the law but are not in a financial position to afford a lawyer. Due to recent budget cuts from Congress, however, some that have happened just this past month, they've been forced to greatly reduce the size of their workforce.
Okay. The challenges that we are facing at this moment is that we are understaffed. If we had more staff, then of course we could handle more cases. To get a case through the Pro Bono project, you're probably going anywhere up to six months, depending upon how quickly I could find a volunteer attorney, which is time consuming because you could go through 10 attorneys waiting for them to call you back week after week, and then you call another one, and you really don't want to call another one until that one's actually said no. So it's time consuming. And unfortunately, with the budget cuts that this office has received in the last 6 months alone, we've lost the full-time pro bono director. And so I work part-time. So what I do part-time. And the way that the public could help would be, I don't really know in the particular department that I handle if there is a way for the public to help other than just being aware of what we do. And if you have someone that you think has a civil legal matter, have them call Legal Aid. It's a free phone call. And that way we might be able to help.
Say somebody's being evicted from their house. They've not paid their rent. Then depending upon the county, will depend upon the laws that are focusing for them. What the client would do is they would call in and start their pre-screen process up at the reception's desk. We are income-based, so all the qualifications would be taken down there. Then it would be passed off to the intake worker where they would call back, get all the details from the client, any pertaining information such as a detainer warrant, an eviction notice, all of that stuff would be then passed off to the attorney. We would have to get our paperwork signed, which is a client fact statement sheet, the retainer agreement, and then the attorney would contact the client back and give them advice or assist them in court if it is something that we are able to assist with.
First of all, we have 55 nursing homes, and right now we have 32 volunteers, and they will go into the nursing home and they're advocates for the residents that are there in the nursing home. They make sure that there's no abuse, such as the CNAs coming in and roughly handling the residents. It's something as simple as making sure they have ice in their water pitchers. A call lot is the biggie. Actually, a resident can lay for as long as an hour and a half before they get to go to the bathroom sometimes.
The state of Tennessee leads the country in the number of residents living at or below the poverty level. According to one study, an estimated 12.2% of Tennessee's population lives at or below the poverty line.